Hello and welcome to Charcoal Pencil with Angelique. In this one I'm working on the Canadian beaver, North American beaver, genus of castor. It's a large semi-aquatic rodent in the northern hemisphere. There are two extinct species in North America, the castor, and the Euro-Asian beaver and the North American beaver. Beavers are the second largest rodent after the capybara, weighing up to 50 pounds, which is 50 kilos, 110 pounds. They have a stout body with large hands, long nails, brown-gray fur, hands like front feet, web back feet, and a flat tail. There are two different species, skulls and tail shapes and fur colors. Beavers can be found in numerous freshwater habitats such as rivers, streams, lakes, and ponds. And to tell you the truth, I have seen beavers up close in the wild, and they are big. They are big like a dog. I saw one time when I was walking my dog, Eros. This was in Toronto, in a large park area where there was a stream, and this beaver was huge. He was as big as my dog, I'm telling you. My dog weighed like 55 pounds, but this beaver was huge. I remember I grabbed my dog and I'm like, let's go this way, because I didn't want my dog to attack him, right? Because I heard that beavers are very vicious animals. But so please sit back and enjoy this cute chubby beaver. I really enjoyed drawing him. You'll see that it's more black and white than anything else. I just wanted to concentrate on the beaver itself. I didn't do any background on this one. It was a drawing that took me over an hour and a half to do, from the pencil drawing all the way to the charcoal drawing. So that's why I didn't add a background like as much as I did in other ones. So let me know what you think, and I will get back to you at the end. So just a couple of notes on the beaver. The beaver used to be day animals where they came out in the day and slept at night, but because of excessive hunting and all that, they turned nocturnal, which means that they come out at night only. But this beaver that I did see in Toronto, it was during the day. It was just going along its little path, crossing over from one pond to the stream, to the river, right, the Humber River. Anyways, I did move to Sutton, and I did see how beavers chop, like eat wood. Like they really gnaw on wood, and they really bring down trees. I saw that, and they're pretty impressive, right? So let me know what you think of the video. Let me know what you think of the animal. If you know anything else on beavers, please let me know. Describe it below. Please like and subscribe. Comment below as well. Tell me what you think of the music, because I'll be continuously using classical music for all my work. I will see you on the next one, and happy drawings.